Ready? Start. Foreign policy cannot be divorced from a country's internal policy, full stop. Any country, any government, any political party must decide what it believes in, and all its policies must then flow from this basic conviction or belief, full stop. What is our foreign policy? Question mark. Some people take the word non-alignment and think that is the whole of our foreign policy, full stop. In a way, it is not the word non-alignment but what non-alignment stands for, namely that we believe in independently judging all issues, full stop. We do not wish to be tied to any group or to any country, full stop. We are today nearer to 21st century than we are to then 19th, full stop. But unfortunately, we find that over large portions of the world, thinking is still very much in the 19th century, full stop. The world has changed. We help to change it because of India's freedom movement, because of India becoming free and other countries in Asia and Europe becoming free, full stop. This has been the greatest change in the world, full stop. Although it was obvious to us that we would become free and that our freedom would lead to the freedom of other countries, this process came somewhat as a shock to the colonial powers, full stop. For some time, they seemed to be stunned by that shock, but it has not taken long for them to recover, full stop. And since they have recovered, we see another very subtle change coming over the world, rather dangerous change, which is that colonialism, full stop. This has actually happened in some places, and in other places there have been attempts that it should happen, full stop. Therefore, the difficulties before the developing countries are still very great, full stop, and we can face them not merely by idealism, not merely by sentimentalism, but by very clear thinking and hard-headed analysis of the situation, full stop. I am glad that the seminar has had the benefit of the analysis of the various people who have spoken here about different problems in different parts of the world, full stop. I am told there were certain criticisms, full stop. We are used to criticisms of our foreign policy because any independent path is so much more difficult to pursue and so much more difficult for people to understand than if we follow some beaten path, full stop. There are those who say that non-alignment has not served our purpose or it has not been a success, full stop. Many of these who have been against non-alignment all these years and who criticized my father and myself for trying to pursue this path are today not attacking non-alignment as such, but are saying that we are not 450 truly non-alignment, full stop. The great attack today, the greatest weapon which is used against foreign policy is to say that in fact we are following the Russian line, full stop. Perhaps they think their saying so will frighten us into trying to give up our friendship with the Russia, full stop. Perhaps they merely think their saying so will be able to allow up the image of independence which we have amongst our own people and amongst the world, full stop. Let us very clear that regardless of what our big newspapers say here, the image of India is very clear outside, full stop. It is not an image of a country which follows any group or country. It is an image of a country standing or trying to stand squarely on its own feet, full stop. It does not mean that they always think we are right, full stop. Many of the countries think that we make mistakes, full stop, and on many occasions we go wrong, full stop. On all the occasions when we seem to support the Western countries, it is the Eastern group which says we have gone wrong or we have not been strong enough, full stop. On those occasions when we have supported the Russia or more likely the African, Asian countries, the Western world thinks we have gone wrong, full stop. On one occasion, the American ambassador complained to me that we had supported the Russia on more occasions in the United Nations than we had supported other countries, full stop. I said, let us look at each occasion, full stop. I did not have details with me there and then because this remark was made at a party, full stop. But I said, if you look at the occasions on which we have seemed to side with the Russia, what do you find, question mark? Were they not issues in which India and the developing countries were vitally interested, question mark? And if this was so, would it not be more true to say that the Russia had supported the stand taken by the developing countries, by the African and Asian countries, and note that we had gone out of our way to support the Russia afterwards? I put this question to the Ministry of External Affairs, and actually when we counted up, we found that it was not even true to say that we had voted with the Russia on more occasions than we had voted with the other countries of the Western Bloc, full stop.